Cancer is a group of diseases characterized by uncontrolled, excessive cell proliferation, invasion into surrounding tissues, and the potential to metastasize to distant sites. It results from genetic mutations that disrupt normal cellular regulatory mechanisms, including cell cycle control, apoptosis, and DNA repair. These mutations often affect oncogenes, tumor suppressor genes, and genes involved in genome stability, which keep cell proliferation and differentiation in check. In this video, I discuss 5 common symptoms of cancer along with their pathological basis. It is important to note that these symptoms are highly nonspecific and can occur in non-cancerous diseases as well. Furthermore, this information is only for educational purposes, and one should not take the content in this video as medical advice. If you have any concern regarding your health, please consult your healthcare provider. The number 1 symptom in our list is unintentional weight loss. Cancer cells have a high metabolic rate and consume large amounts of glucose. Additionally, tumors release pro-inflammatory cytokines such as tumor necrosis factor alpha and interleukin-6, which cause inflammation, increased catabolism, and muscle wasting. Moreover, these inflammatory substances have inhibitory effects on the hypothalamus, leading to anorexia or loss of appetite, which further contributes to weight loss. Number 2, fatigue. Chronic inflammation due to tumor-secreted cytokines disrupts energy metabolism and induces anemia. Additionally, tumor burden and chemotherapy can lead to mitochondrial dysfunction and energy depletion, resulting in fatigue. Number 3, persistent pain. Cancer invades and compresses surrounding tissues, nerves, and bones, causing nociceptive and neuropathic pain. Inflammatory mediators such as prostaglandins and bradykinin contribute to pain hypersensitivity. Bone metastases can activate osteoclasts, leading to lytic lesions and severe pain in bones. Number 4, lumps or abnormal swellings. Tumors grow due to uncontrolled cell proliferation, often forming palpable masses. New blood vessel formation, also known as angiogenesis, supports tumor expansion, while invasion into adjacent tissues causes local swelling. Lymph node metastasis leads to lymphadenopathy. Number 5, unexplained bleeding. Tumor invasion disrupts blood vessels, causing spontaneous bleeding. In gastrointestinal cancers, ulceration leads to hematemesis or melena, while in lung cancer, bronchial erosion results in hemoptysis. Leukemias impair platelet function, increasing the risk of spontaneous bleeding. Finally, keep in mind that these symptoms often appear in advanced stages, making early detection through screening and diagnostic tests critical for improving prognosis.